Okay, next we're going to be moving on to getting ink stains out of carpet fibers. Now, there are two types of ink stains, ones that are from regular pens that are pretty easy to get out. Others are more permanent ink or ink that's also been in the carpet fiber for a longer period of time. If it's fresh ink and it's not permanent, you want to start by laying a paper towel over it and just applying a little bit of pressure to remove the excess ink on the top of the fibers. Once that's done, I take a little bit of milk and I mix about a quarter teaspoon of mild liquid dish soap into it. And then I want to take a toothbrush, preferably one you don't want to use again, and mix it up and apply it in a gently rubbing motion over the stain. I just want to get the tops of the fibers. I don't want to push the ink down farther into the carpet. Now, once I do that, I want to blot with a dry paper towel. And it's okay if the paper towel is wet too, as long as you finish with a dry paper towel. Now, if the ink's a little bit more permanent than that, or it's dried there for longer, what I'll want to do is use a little bit more of an intrusive method. I'll take just 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol, and I'll mix it with lukewarm water, about a half a cup. And then I want to take a cloth, and I want to mix that up and take the solution, and I want to blot very rapidly over the stain. Now again, this is a lot more of an intrusive method, and it can be more abrasive to the carpet. And then once I do that, I want to flood it with a little bit of water. And then I want to apply a dry paper towel over it to pull the ink out. And as you can see, the stain has been lifted, the ink stain from the carpet. And we'll move on to our next cleaning method.